Vowel sounds. They are a voice-speech sound produced when an open, unobstructed vocal tract, allowing air to flow freely from the lungs through the mouth or nose without significant constriction.
Vowels are commonly described according to the following characteristics. Number 1. The portion of the tongue that is involved in the articulation. Number 2. The tongue's position relative to the palate. Number 3. The shape of the lips. And number 4. The length or duration of vocalization. Today in this video, we present the next 3 vowel sounds. The sound is called schwa. It is a mid-central vowel and the lips are unrounded. The mouth is relaxed and this sound usually appears in unstressed syllables. Listen. Some examples of the sound are about, banana, lemon, pencil, and animal. The sound is a long central vowel. The tongue is in the middle of the mouth and the lips are unrounded. The mouth is slightly open and the sound is longer. Listen.
Some minimal pairs to contract these sounds are bird, bed, and work, walk. More examples with these sounds are nurse, word, and learn. The sound is a mind-low central vowel. The tongue is the middle of the mouth and the lips are unrounded. The mouth is slightly open and the sound is short. These vowels sound like a. Some minimal pairs to contract these sounds are cut, cat, and look, luck. More examples with these sounds are cup, sun, and love.